It's spicy hot. I can't really take spicy food, but it's still good. From our breakfast this morning, courtesy of Rob Chorizo. Now let's move on to my mom, cooking already for dinner. Let's see. Ano yan, Nay? What you pork?
This is pork.
She's cutting the pork. And what are we making, Nay?
I'm gonna make Filipino food like this one is they call it in the Philippines is bataw.
Yeah, and I don't know what bataw is in English. Ano yan, Nay? Like
Bataw,
chicharo?
it's vegetable. No,
It's like
look
chicharo?
like a chicharo, but it's different.
It's
This is
different?
from Sister Barang.
Oh.
They gave it to me yesterday.
It was from her friend's
My friend.
backyard. They grow bataw here in their backyard. So let's wait. And it looks like she's gonna add some coconut milk
And
to the
pork
pork with onions and the bataw.
and chili. Where's
And
my
chili as well. I am going to research what bataw is in English, and I'm gonna try to put it in this vlog.
Jalapeno.
Not
This
too
is
spicy,
jalapeno.
huh?
Yeah.
Not too spicy.
Just a
huh?
little bit.
Alright, okay, let's wait and see. She first started off with sauteing the onions with a little bit of olive oil. Use olive oil or regular?
olive oil. And garlic.
And garlic. And then what's next, now? She
Oh,
also
this is the pork.
she's also gonna use
No fat.
what is this? Bagoong.
Bagoong.
Salted shrimp fry is what it's called. Bagoong alamang. Salted shrimp fry. If you don't like this, you don't have to do this, right? What can you replace it
That is,
with? But
if you
Filipino
want,
style
nice,
is like this.
Yes.
Nice taste, shrimp
with
paste,
a
right?
little bit of
Just a little bit of
they call it
bagoong.
bagoong.
And the coconut milk. They're gonna be next. And this is the bataw. And I found out what it is in English. It's called hyacinth beans. You cannot eat this raw. It says that it's toxic if you eat it raw. It needs to be cooked. But it's full of health benefits like antioxidants, and I even see stuff about anti-hyperglycemic. So I think hyperglycemic is having high blood sugar. So it's anti-hyperglycemic, one of the health benefits, and it's also anti-inflammatory. So she covered it now. Let's wait a little bit. And she's also gonna add she's adding the chili peppers as well. To me, I don't really like very spicy hot food, so she tries to make it mild for me, but it's still spicy hot. But what I do is I pick on these things. I take it away from my food because I like these coconut milk dishes. But she's a Bicolana, so for her, it's always going to be spicy hot. Next step is it the coconut milk? The bataw is still here, and the coconut milk. But
Now,
it's the
I'm
shrimp
gonna add
paste,
this
the bagoong,
bagoong.
the shrimp paste. Wow, that's gonna give it a real nice flavor. A little salty, so you gotta be careful with this because it's very salty. What's next? Is it the coconut milk?
Coconut milk.
So 3
One.
cans.
2. Another one. 3 cans of milk.
3 cans of coconut milk. Oh, I love coconut milk. Coconut milk lover. Once all of that are added, except for the bataw and the chili peppers, how
Gonna
long?
do it later.
How long are you boiling it?
Maybe
Simmer for
maybe 20 minutes.
20 minutes, and then we're
boil
gonna
this.
add this because this one needs to be really cooked, Nay, huh? Because it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard, so it needs to be really cooked. Alright, so Nanay now put in all the bataw. That's the last ingredient, and she's gonna be cooking the bataw with the coconut milk and the pork and everything in there for how long, Nay?
Maybe half an hour.
Half an hour, because it need the bataw or the hyacinth beans needs to be really cooked well. You cannot eat this raw, so it really needs to be cooked well. We'll come back soon. Oh, there it is. It's cooked, huh, Nay?
Yeah.
It's already
ready.
cooked.
Yeah.
Wow, the bataw. You can see the evenness of the bataw and the coconut milk. And the pork right there. This is gonna be
Okay, this is
so
it. Done.
good. Wow, good job, Nay. Now I know how to cook this thing. But if I ever cook this, I'm not gonna add chili peppers. Can you cook it with no chili peppers?
It is good, the chili.
The chili has to be in, she said, because is it a Bicolano
Yeah,
food?
yeah.
So it's gotta have the chili peppers. So there you go. We learned how to cook my mom's specialty. It's not the laing, but it's close enough because it's got coconut milk and bagong as well. But this time it's the bataw. Very good. Thanks for watching, everyone. And it's time to try it. It's time to try the bataw and coconut milk. I've got pork here, coconut milk, and the bataw. It's still hot. Yummy. A little on the salty side because of the bagoong, the shrimp paste. So good. Woo. It's spicy hot. I can't really take spicy food, but it's still good in spite of being it's spicy hot. Very good.